racing all around the world. I've been obviously driving for Acura, Caterpillar, Jackie Heinricher, and we put together a new all-female team, which is super cool. Every time I come to Caffeine and Octane, it gets bigger and more crazy, and I love it. There are so many cars. You've got the new, the old, the crazy. It's a real thing. So 80s, and I love it.
Catherine!
Ricky, hey, how you doing?
I see you looking at horsepower.
I know, look at this Hellcat, love it.
That's a big motor in this car. Listen, I want to show you something really cool that captures the grassroots of our beginnings since we started so young.
Okay.
Check this little kid out over here. Look at this.
This is so cool. Ah, there he is. Hi, buddy. Hi. Does this belong to you?
Yes.
Very cool.
What's your name?
Gianni.
Gianni. What's up, Gianni? How old are you, man?
I am
11. Very cool.
This is a cool car, man.
This is a really cool car. How long have you been racing?
3 years.
3
years.
All right, tell us a little bit about your beastie here.
So, it's a Bandolero US Legends car. You buy for about $6 grand. It has a 570cc engine, Vanguard. It's clutch driven, certificate clutch driven.
Centrifugal clutch.
So no gears?
No gears, no.
No gears.
We drive this on a quarter mile to Landover Speedway. I've won 4 races, and I wanted to get to NASCAR, and that's when NASCAR started going. They were loud, the V8 engines, they were fast. They go around this track, bank turns. I thought I want to be like one of those, so I got to this.
How fast does it go?
It probably pushes 70 plus.
Really? 11 years old?
And you not scared?
Sometimes if it starts to wonky out, then I start to get a little freaked
That's
out.
cool.
And I have
I
to
mean,
work with it,
that's
but
good. There's a certain amount of fear you gotta have respect and a
Healthy
certain amount of
respect.
fear.
Yeah, no, I agree. So you know all about setting tire pressures and how to set the car up.
Or is that Dad's job?
His job, but I also have the feel for it. He sets it up.
Straight. Does it scare me yet? I get anxiety and I get the bubble guts kind of before he goes on to a race. But he loves it and it's his passion. There's nothing better I can ask for.
That's a good deal, man. Look, nice to meet you, dude.
Thank you.
All right, we look forward to seeing you.
Yeah, it was really cool to meet you. Good luck.
Thanks.
Hopefully one day you'll be on the big screen like this one.
Yeah, it's nice to meet you, sir.
Meeting you.
Take care, guys.
How cool is that? One day he's gonna be